This is a quick demo of the Vulnerability Fixer application powered by OpenHands. When you first open the application, you'll notice that the field to enter a GitHub repository URL is disabled. Let's start by opening the configuration page. Here, we first choose where the OpenHands agent server is running, either in the cloud or locally. Since I'm running the agent server on OpenHands Cloud, I'll select Cloud Agent and then provide the OpenHands API key. Next, I'll select the LLM provider. Choose the required model and enter the OpenHands LLM API key because OpenHands is being used as the provider. Then I'll test the connection. Finally, I'll add my GitHub personal access token, which is required to access repositories for vulnerability scanning and automated fixes. Once all the details are added, I'll save the configuration. Now I'll navigate to the scanner page. As you can see, the scanner is enabled. I'll start by entering a sample GitHub repository that I want to scan for vulnerabilities, and then kick off the scan. This will run a CVE scan on the given repository using Trivy. The agent takes care of installing Trivy if it's not already available and handles running the scan end to end. At this point, you can see the OpenHands agent server logs streaming directly in the UI, giving clear visibility into what the agent is doing behind the scenes. The Trivy scan results are now displayed in the UI. Clicking the Details button shows more information about a specific CVE. Clicking Fix will remediate the vulnerability. Before doing that, let me show you how to fix issues by uploading a vulnerability report, such as from Snyk. You can see two tabs at the top. When you click Upload Report, you'll be navigated to this capability. I'll enter the GitHub repository for which the report was generated. Now I'll pick a report that was generated from the selected repository. You can upload vulnerability scan reports from tools like Snyk, Veracode, Checkmark, and others. Here the report is first uploaded to the OpenHands agent, where it is transformed to a canonical format and vulnerability details extracted in order to remediate. Now you can see all the vulnerabilities listed below. I'll fix this JavaScript XSS vulnerability that was found in the Node.js file. Now you can see the vulnerability is getting fixed. At this point, the OpenHands agent is analyzing the vulnerability and coming up with a resolution for which a PR will be raised. This capability works in the same way on both OpenHands Cloud and when running locally using the agent server. The CVEs have now been fixed. Scrolling back to the table, you can see a link to the newly created pull request. Let's open that link. Here you can see a pull request created directly in a new branch with the automated fixes. The branch creation, commit message, pull request, and all other GitHub-related actions are fully handled by the OpenHands agent server. Next, I'll move to the Logs tab. This tab contains all logs generated by the OpenHands agent server. This concludes the demo of the Vulnerability Fixer application powered by OpenHands.